All right, the last part of your homework, they're going to give you 6 graphs, and you have to write the equation of the graph. These are, to me, a little bit easier because you see the equation. You just got to pull out the information. I'm going to look at this line here, and I see a dotted line. So my hint is, okay, no bar, no equal sign. And the shading is above the line. So that means I'm going to use the greater than symbol. So I'm going to go greater than, but with no bar. All right, so I'm gonna have a y here, and now I just need to find the y-intercept and the slope. Okay, I always start with the y-intercept. To me, I look along this y-axis. I'm at 0, 0, and I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the starting point. So I write plus 4. All right. Now they give me a bunch of points on this line, and I can draw triangles like this that go to the right, across. And from here to here is 5 units. From here to here is 2. As we go from left to right, my line's going down from left to right. So that means my slope is negative. So now I'm gonna write a slope of -2/5. Now somebody might ask, well, what if you didn't use those 2 points? What if you use something else? Well, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna go all the way down here. I'm gonna go all the way across over to here. All right, if I go from here over to here, that's 5, 10, 15 units. Okay, if I go from here down, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that's a slope of -6/15. If you reduce it, it drops down to -2/5. So just options there. One thing to do. Last thing I want to show you before we end the assignment is homework problem number 5 looks a little bit different. We got a fraction here that we're not used to. And I gave a problem earlier where I told you to divide by that 5 on both sides. Multiplying by the half, if you look at that bar, a fraction bar actually means divide. They're really dividing by 2. So if I want to get rid of that dividing by 2, my hint to you would be to multiply both sides by 2. What happens here is now this is 2/1, which these cancel, and now this is just 1. I can write it out, or I can just leave it and go 6x minus 2y is less than 8. And now it's your job to get y by itself. All right, once again, to get y by itself, you'll subtract the 6x and then divide by -2.